Oh, my lights went out. Hang on a second. What the actual heck? On. Thank you. Okay. Hi, guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you guys are already subscribed, thank you for supporting my channel. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up. If you really like what you see, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys want to know when I upload new videos, hit that little bell down there around the subscription area. There's a little bell, a little red bell. Make sure and hit that so that it'll let you know whenever I upload a new video. So anyway, today I am going to show you guys how to make a really good, really simple, I have a cold, just a cold, not COVID, just a cold. I'm going to show you guys how to make a really simple and delicious, oh my goodness, what am I doing? Salsa! I'm going to show you how to make a cannibal salsa. I'm going to show you how to make the salsa and can the salsa. Woo! I'm sick, forgive me, but that's what we're going to do. We are oh my goodness! We're going to make salsa today. So before I get completely confused and crazy and saying stupid things, let's just go make some salsa, shall we? Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is prep your tomatoes. You're going to take your tomatoes and you're going to cut a little X on the bottom of your tomato, like so. And then you're going to put your tomatoes into a pot of boiling water and you're going to boil them for 60 seconds. No more, no less, just 60 seconds. And what that's going to do is it's going to soften the peel so that you can peel them really, really easy. Like so. The skins will just peel right off. Real easy like. Trust me, trying to do this any other way doesn't really work. And you don't want those skins in there. I mean, I suppose you don't care, you can leave the skins in there, but makes nice smooth salsa if you take the skin off. Like so. See, all the skins are off. Very easy, makes nice little neat, tidy little tomatoes. Alright, next thing you're going to do is you're going to chop up some green bell pepper. 2.5 cups of green bell pepper are going to go into your pot. Next, you are going to put in 2.5 cups of onion. Whatever onion you choose. I'm using white onion, but you can use sweet onion or purple onion or whatever onion you would like. Next, you're going to put jalapenos. 3 or 4 jalapenos. I'm using 3 because people don't like it hot. I do, but they don't. Next, you are going to put in 9 cups of chopped tomatoes. And then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you would like to use fresh garlic, it would be 8 cloves of garlic, but I do not have cloves of garlic, so I am using garlic powder. So 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, you are going to put in 6 teaspoons of salt. Like so. Next, you're going to put in 1 cup of white vinegar. There we go. And 1 12-ounce can of tomato paste into your pot. Next, we're going to mix it up. And then you're going to put it on high on the stove until it starts to boil. Then turn it down to medium. And you're going to let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Like this. And I like to do it for just 20 minutes because I don't want it to overcook. Because it's going to cook a little bit when you put it into your jars anyway. And here is the end result. This is simmered for 20 minutes. Now we're going to prep our canner. This is a water bath canner. Voila! You're going to put just enough water to cover the tops of your jars, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch. I am using quart jars, so I need enough water to cover 4 quart jars because this will make enough for 4 quart jars, or I believe 6 pints. And you're just going to fill your jars up. You can leave about 1/2 inch to 1 inch of airspace at the top for expansion and heat, you know, and all that jazz, because I don't know, I'm not a scientist, but that's what you do. Doesn't that salsa look delicious? Yum, 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 yum. It is really good salsa, by the way. Like I said, you're going to leave about a half an inch to an inch of space in the jar, like so. Ta-da! And then repeat on the rest of the jars. Here we are, 4 full jars of salsa. And next thing you're going to do is make sure that you wipe everything off of the brim of the jar, because we don't want anything on there. It will not seal properly if there is anything around the top of the jar. Like so. Clean, clean, clean the jar. This one I actually did spill a little bit on, so we want to make sure that one is extra clean. Don't want anything on the jar, like I said, or it will not can properly, and nobody wants that. I mean, if it doesn't can, you can always just eat it. It's still cooked. It's ready to go. Good salsa. But if you would like to put it away for the winter, or just put it away for a week or so, whatever. Make sure that they're clean. Alright, now we're going to put our lids on there, which isn't easy with one hand, by the way. But it can be done. Get those lids on there. Okay. And like I said, I spilt a little bit on this one, so I am going to make sure there's nothing on there. It will not seal properly if you do not put that on there. Alright, next we're going to move these to the bath. You're going to put your jars into the bath water. Like I said, make sure that there's a half an inch to an inch of water above your jar. You are going to bring that to a boil, and it is going to boil for 20 to 30 minutes. Once it has boiled for 20 to 30 minutes, you are going to take them out of the hot water and set them on a towel on the counter, and it can take up to 24 hours for it to seal. Wait for that nice little pop sound. And then you'll know that they're sealed. Like I said, if they don't seal, there's nothing wrong with the salsa. Put it in the refrigerator,
and there you have it.
And you'll just have to eat it. Cans of delicious salsa. And this will stay good in the can for up to 18 months. So you should have salsa until the next time your tomatoes come on the vine. Or if you just want to buy tomatoes, you can make this anytime you want, because you can always buy all the ingredients at the grocery store. However, it is nice to grow your own. It is very rewarding and makes you feel all warm and fuzzy. So, anyway, I hope that this was helpful, educational, entertaining, at least. Thank you guys for watching.